Amid the chaos of city life, we all crave a place where the only sound is the whisper of trees and the song of birds. In today's episode, we journey deep into India's most peaceful wilderness escapes, where nature heals, humbles, and inspires. Once a royal hunting ground, Kabini today is a serene paradise for wildlife lovers. Nestled on the banks of the Kabini River, it's famous for its elephants, tigers, and luxurious eco-lodges that blend sustainability with comfort. India's oldest national park, Corbett, remains an evergreen favorite. Apart from tiger trails, it offers riverside stays, bird-watching and forest treks that remind you why this park started India's wildlife conservation story. Set in the heart of the Western Ghats, Wayanad is where misty mountains meet spice-scented forests. Trek through rainforests, stay in treetop houses, and wake up to the call of Malabar whistling thrushes. The land that inspired the Jungle Book, Kanha is home to majestic tigers, swamp deer, and endless sal forests. It's one of India's best managed reserves, perfect for slow travel and mindful safaris. In the remote northeast lies Ziro, a magical valley surrounded by pines and clouds. Known for its indigenous Apatani culture, bamboo cottages, and the annual Ziro Music Festival, it's where adventure meets serenity. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, this park offers untouched alpine beauty, from glacial rivers to rare blue sheep and snow leopards. Trekking here is not just a journey through nature, but into silence itself. Best months: October to March for most parks. Always book certified eco stays. Carry biodegradable essentials. Respect wildlife. Observe, never disturb. Support local communities through responsible tourism. In a world moving too fast, nature reminds us to pause. Which of these wilderness escapes would you choose for your 2025 getaway? Share in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration.